Hey everyone, welcome and thanks for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. I got Xena up early today. It is Sunday morning. It's so nice outside because nobody's up yet. It's early and I have an unboxing for you today and I'm excited. Wyatt's here. Wyatt, you want to say hi? He's on bug patrol. Wyatt, can you say hi? Can you say hi? He's on bug patrol, so he takes that very, very seriously, even though he's supposed to be helping me out. So for today, I have two beautiful boxes for you from LilySilk. This is a collaboration I adore. I've been doing this for months. They have the most amazing silk products, and I have done silk dresses, silk blouses, pillowcases, which it's imperative for my hair because I have super fine hair. So I sleep on a silk pillowcase every single day so I don't have split ends. And it's also good for your skin to try to avoid as many wrinkles as possible. So I love this collaboration. So much fun. And I'm so excited because I have two boxes for you today. Can't wait to see what's in here. Just love it. So, and look how pretty these boxes are. So, so pretty. So LilySilk does sell products that are from the finest of silk. They are non-toxic dyes as well. And as I mentioned, silk products are good for your skin. They are moisture wicking, and they do have free shipping on products of over $50. And of course, I do have a discount code for you. So I will share that as well. Let's get into this first box. Look how pretty. So my first item looks like pants. Look how beautiful. So these are a pair of pants. They do have right here on the tag that LilySilk is a luxury silk brand founded in 2011, committed to refining the silk industry. Finest grade 6A mulberry silk at honest pricing, certified by the Swiss authoritative Awega Tech standard. Motley team of top designers with shared passion for silk and the pursuit of affordable luxury lifestyle. And they do have the website here, which I will share with you as well down below. So these are a pair of dress pants. Look how pretty these are. And these are the Silk Slim Ankle Pant. And let me see. These are 31% silk, 13% spandex, 56% rayon stretchable. And they are the slim fit. They have a hidden zipper here. And they do have the skinny leg. Very pretty. And they do always have the silk benefits on their tag. So helps you sleep better, good for your skin and hair, moisture wicking, and antibacterial. I forgot to mention that one. So these are cute. A little bit windy. Wyatt just got scared because one of the pillows hit him and he jumped off the couch. That's so funny. That pillow gets you, Wyatt. That big scary pillow. That's funny. All right. I still have something else, though, to share. So let's see what's in the other box. It might rain later. I hope not, because it's supposed to be 86 today. So hopefully the sun comes out and not the rain. That would be better. Uh-oh, now a pillow got Xena. She's moving away. All right, here is my second box. Look how pretty this is. I love how nicely packaged these are. Okay, so check this out. This is a little V-neck silk tee. Has the little buttons here in the front. This is in navy. The wind's going to kick up. Look how cute that is. I love the little sleeves on this. They're just a little bit, come probably right to the edge of your shoulder, I would expect. Has the little button there. Such a pretty navy color. It's a little bit brighter. It's longer. Very pretty. I like that. This is the casual V-neck silk tee, they call it. And this is 100% charmeuse silk. So pretty. The pants are $89.99. But as I said, I do have a coupon code if you want to try them. And this V-neck tee is $69.99. So do you guys like navy and black together? I normally don't wear them together. I usually don't mix my navies and my blacks, but they're neutral, so you're supposed to be able to wear them together. Should I try them on together? So they also sent a little booklet here, and this talks about some of their products. It talks about their standards, how they're certified, 100% grade mulberry silk. They have a 45-day satisfaction guarantee. They also have customization services. So if you did buy any of their bedding, you could have that monogrammed, for example. And they also share some of their other products. So let's get to the try on and see how these look. I'll be right back. All right, so the first outfit, I decided to split them up and show two different looks. So the first outfit is the pants, and I paired it with my top from my last video, my last LilySilk video, which was this gorgeous silk leopard top, which I just love. It fits so well, you can dress it up or do casual, and I put it on with the silk pants, which do have a nice skinny fit to them. So here's what they look like. I put them on with my yellow slides, and hopefully you guys can see this. They do have a skinny leg, and they do fit rather nicely. So they fit in my waist. They do have a slim fit. That's exactly what they said. And they have an amazing silk feel to them. They feel wonderful, but yet they have a stretch. So here's the full look. They're very soft, silky, comfortable, flexible. I bent in them before I came out here to show you what they look like, making sure I can move around in them, sit in them. There's no bunching. They do have this side hidden zipper here. And I think they make a very dressy look. Very, very pretty. Very silky. You could do dressy or casual, so I could easily put a camel blazer on with this, make it a dressy look. Or I grabbed my dark wash denim jacket, which I had out today, to wear with the dress that I have on to kick off this video. And I thought it would also look nice with this. For a more casual look. So what do you guys think? So overall, I like them. I think they're really cute pants. Here's the look. And then you could also leave the blouse out if you wanted to. This is a really pretty blouse. Make it a more casual look this way as well. It's a nice longer blouse. Or you could do something different with it, and you could probably even tie it in the front, and that would be a different kind of look with these pants as well, and a little silk blouse. For a little bit of a different look. You can't tell what this looks like, but hopefully it's cute. Another different look. I'll put the link to this silk blouse down below as well as to the other items in case you want to check this one out. This is one of my favorite blouses from them. Alright, let's do the other top. All right, so this next outfit is this super pretty V-neck silk top. I love the little V. It has the little button right here and the little cap sleeves. So pretty. Here's the close-up. I tucked it into my mutton bow jeans, so I went with a casual look for this one. So I tucked it in, put it on with some shimmery gray booties. And I think this is a really nice look. So it'd be nice for dress, it'd be nice for casual. Since I did a dressy look in the previous outfit, I went for more of a casual look, but this certainly would still be good for a casual office environment. And then would be fun for drinks after work, get together with the girls. Such a pretty nice look. Love this. It's, again, soft and silky. Such a pretty basic top. And then I picked the navy color. It also comes in other colors as well. I really like the cap sleeve. This will be nice going into fall to layer. And I grabbed my jacket from my last LilySilk video. If you guys had a chance to catch that video, I had got this blazer, which is an oversized menswear gray blazer, which I thought would be really nice with the navy. So here's a close-up. Has the pockets. I think this makes a cute outfit. And I'll put the link to this blazer down below as well. This also comes in black and has the complete silk lining inside. So soft against your skin. So that's all of my items. I'm loving these. Let's do a wrap up. So what did you guys think of these two pieces? And I threw in a couple pieces from some previous videos because I just think their items are so beautiful and they feel so nice on your skin. As I mentioned, the pants, which I think are such a nice fit, so different. I've never owned silk pants before. These were a slim fit, skinny leg. So nice for casual or beautiful for dressy as well. These were $89.99. And then the top I have on $69.99, but I do have a discount code for you for 12% off everything on their site. Use the code little BOH for Box of Happy. I will put all that information down below, as well as direct links to each of the items that I showed you in this video, including the blazer and the leopard print silk blouse, which I just absolutely adore, as well as each of these items. So I think this is so pretty on. Love the little cap sleeve here. Yeah, I so hope you enjoyed these items. I always enjoy bringing them to you. So much fun showing new items to you. I would love it if you would hit that like button. I would love it if you'd hang around for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for all of your support. Wyatt's still here chasing bugs. Xena has disappeared somewhere. Don't know where she is. But we so appreciate you hanging out with us. I will put links down below so you can easily find any of these items. And until next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.